Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change your name in BLUEJEANS. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to your profile, click here and click profile. Right when you're going to do it, it's going to load and you're going to see here first name and last name, right? And you want to change the name here. You can also import the profile from LinkedIn if you want to. And then just click Save Changes. Right when I have it, my name is Marek1 Kamenitsky. But you can like choose, as you can see also here, now I get like good morning Marek1. I should have renamed myself to Marcus, but like I was born as a Marek because I'm from Slovakia. So thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. If I know the answer, I will answer. If I don't, I won't. You know how it goes. Have a great day everybody and goodbye.